Good morning. This is Sunday. Third week of Sunday sa January. So right now, as you remember, every third week of Sunday in every January of a year is a celebration of Sinulog in Cebu as one of their annual celebration that was attended by thousands of believers or devotees of Santo Niño in Cebu. So you can search naman sa Facebook, YouTube to that mga clips or maya ng hapon, mga parade or something dance to on how they celebrate. And of course, it's a form of contest as well as a way of promoting the Cebu's economy, because of that it boomed their economy. They earn money through their business, thriving business. There's a lot of devotees outside of Cebu or in another province of Cebu that go in Cebu City. So it benefits Cebu because of that celebration, as well as also it can give evidence that believers of that patrono. So what you wonder why that happened? Bakit yan nangyari na maraming mga tao? Because marami ng mga miracle, but the only miracle is untruth is in the Bible. If you read Bible, that miracle, or actually it's so insulting na give praise to ninyo instead of God. But for me, my opinion, you need to read the Bible. Yeah, there are many miracle. At the same time, you don't need to do much sacrifice because of that patron. But the one thing that you need to sacrifice is serving God. That's it. Thank you and God bless.